guys, my name is Faye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Phaye Mailu and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone had a lovely week. I hope all of you had an amazing day. And I'm really sorry about last week, guys. I'm so sorry. I undid my hair. Honestly, I undid my hair and then I braided it into lines and I didn't feel cute enough to come on camera. So yeah, I apologize for last week. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, this is the look that I'll be doing for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And while you're subscribing, click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. With that being said, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows and I'm just going to take my spoolie and I'm going to use it to brush my brows and set them in place. And then I'm going to take the Davis pencil in the shade 040 and I'm going to use that to fill in my eyebrows. I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer to clean up my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows. I am going to now prime my eyelids and I'm still using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer. And I'm going to start off with this eye and then I'll come back and we'll do this eye together. I'm back and the first thing I did was prime my eyelids and I used the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer to do that. The next thing I did was put on some eyeliner and I'm going to use this Davis pencil. And then to darken my eyeliner, I'm going in with the eyeshadow shade Midnight, which is just a black eyeshadow. And then I'm going to use my white eye pencil to draw on this cut crease shape. And then on the outer part of my eye, I am going to start with the shade Too Sweet, which is this dark purple. And then for the next eyeshadow shade, I'm using the shade I Love This, which is this purple here. Okay, so now let me put on some lashes and then we can get into doing my foundation and contouring, that stuff. For foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade 335. For concealer, I'm still using the Maybelline Fit-Me. So now I am going to smoke out my lower lash line and then wing out my inner corner before I set my face. Okay, I'm going to put on some blush also. I am going to set my face. So I'm just going to put on some highlight. And to outline my lips, I am going to use a maroon lip liner. And this one is by Davis. And then I'm just going to use this gloss. So I just put on some jewelry and this is the finished look for today's tutorial. Yeah, I'm really sorry about last week. I was busy, plus I undid my hair and I didn't feel cute enough to come on camera. That's why there was no tutorial last week. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And while you're subscribing, click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. If you found this video helpful, share it. Yeah, and also comment down below and tell me what kind of makeup look you would want to see next. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. And since you guys are already here, you can watch one of these two videos. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Till next time. Bye!